He's got this just hidden away in his garage.
Colour magic side indicators, Moret headlights, Gotti wheels with Corvette centre caps, really rare ABT shift knob and steering wheel.
Mate, I love this, you know. This is his girlfriend's car as well. Oh, this is just the one that he has. Just the jet. Yes, the whole time, yes. Is this the engine?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the Big Daddy. Yes.
This is a two-person job to move this.
Oh, mate. Oh, hey, smells good. And that's what's aiming for. Oh, the belt's good. The belt's good. Oh, this is a D50 1.5. Yeah. This is the 1.5 we was talking about in the previous video.
And you got to engine swap it. And I was like,
yeah.
Yeah. And he said, E16B. And I went,
no. Dude, don't fucking lift it with your back. 2 years. Ex-Spidey cunts. I hope it's got plugs in it.
Oh, this one's got one.
Oh, has it got?
Got one plug.
That's all you need. That's all you need.
When I see you here, it just X5, I was like,
you underestimate my ability to carry stupid shit.
That's it. Roll it on the side. It hasn't got much oil in it, has it? Dude, you're now like twin engine Honda. That's it now. Yeah. Just like 2 holes through the floor. So the plan for this, I think, strip this down, clean it up a little bit, turn it over. Dude, we could swap this in. George, we've christened your car. It's now got an engine inside of it.
That ain't going nowhere.
Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one. Just, no, rehome him. Rehome him.
Twat him. Twat him. If he goes on my seats, I'm twatting you. You've got 3 seconds to twat him.
Mate,
Where is he?
He's right here. The fact that as soon as we put it in, like we tried to clear the spiders off it, but as soon as we put it in there, just like 5 or 6 of them just came out the exhaust ports. Are you just paying for the engine now, are you? Yeah. Just a £5.
Yeah, about that.
There you go. And there's the pennies. Off we go, boys.
Back home.
Avoiding fucking road closures. Gotta love the UK. St Andrews Centre. Wow. On the side of the road, and the intake has disintegrated. Oh no.
That needs to go.
Oh no, it's loose.
Yeah, don't worry about that. I don't want to take the fucking whole cock off though.
You want to hit the whole cock? So we've just done the engine swap. The engine is now in the car. Yeah, it's now. Yeah, that's it. We've now gone down a few cc's. Oh, that's fucking sick. Up and the police. Oh, no, I forgot that. Snap.
11 quid 60.
Fucking what? 11 quid. I'd at least expect this road to have no speed limit on it.
It's real.
Fucking real.
We were just standing in my narrow home. We went on and on. You all smile, you all sing. We become heroes in the starlight. You all sing, sing. We were just standing in my narrow home. We went on and on. You all smile, you all sing.
After a 4-hour drive, we are now back here. It was more than that. Oh my god, yeah, we left at 10 this morning.